First, realistic stone-like appearance. 3D textured design creates a natural stone texture with a premium look. Second, lightweight composite material. PVC plus IXPE construction ensures lightweight, durable construction and provides basic moisture and impact resistance. Third, safe and flame retardant. Meets B2 fire rating standards, suitable for both commercial and residential spaces. Fourth, easy self-adhesive installation. Adhesive backing for easy peel and stick installation, suitable for even slightly uneven surfaces, no painting required. Message us for product catalogs and sample testing.